Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome. Today I am doing a collaboration with a couple other homeschooling moms and a couple other moms, and we are just doing our summer school plans, like if we plan to homeschool or do any type of schooling with the kids throughout the summer. These are kind of our plans. I'll have the playlist linked up in an iCard as well as in the description box below. And I would love for you to go check out the other moms that are in that playlist. And that way we can just all get some encouragement for schooling our kids. So for us, Caleb and Zoe, if you're new here and you don't know, they're 3 and 5. Zoe's 3 and Caleb is 5. And Caleb we're doing kindergarten work with Caleb, and Zoe, we're just kind of, she has a preschool book that she's doing, but we're not like really into it. She colors on it and she'll trace the letters and everything. So that's what we're doing with them right now. And after they finish those books, after Caleb finishes his school book, we are going to be taking a week off from school before we start the kind of summer school. It's not necessarily summer school. It's just a couple things that we're going to be doing just so they remember and are able to continue to learn about the things that they've already learned. So one of the things I'm going to be doing with them every day is flashcards. We have addition, subtraction, numbers 1 through 100, colors and shapes, and the alphabet. Caleb is the only one who we're really going to be doing addition and subtraction with, because he's actually pretty good at math. He catches on really quick, and he's remembers it and retains it, so he's really good at that. So we're going to be doing flashcards maybe daily, maybe every other day. We're going to be doing them quite often so they can continue to learn and remember like the colors and numbers and alphabet. So those are one of the things that I'm going to be doing with both of them. And then for Caleb, we are actually going to be doing the Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. My mom actually sent this to me to do with him because she had 2 copies, so she was able to send me her extra one. And after our little week-long break, we are going to start this up and hopefully get him reading before the end of summer. So I'm hoping that we will get him reading before school starts back up in August or September, whenever we decide to start back up. Go along with the Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. I've actually got like a bunch of these little just first starter reading books that somebody had given me. So we'll go through and read a couple of those when he's able to kind of grasp a little bit better. We'll sit and we'll read one and he kind of memorizes it, but it still works because I still make him look at the words and everything, and he still figures it out. And then I actually picked these up from the thrift store a couple weeks ago. They're the short vowels, A-E-I-O-U. And then it's just kind of got like an introduction for the characters for each of the vowels. So I'm not doing a bunch with them over the summer. I'm just doing flashcards and hopefully teaching Caleb to read. I am not going to force it or just make it something stressful for him or for me. We're just going to take it day by day and see how it goes. Hopefully he catches on quickly and he's able to start reading soon. But that is all that we're planning on doing for the summer. Like I said in the beginning, I would love to see what you're doing. Leave me a comment down below and just let me know if you plan on doing anything with your kids, or film yourself a video and upload it. And let me know and I will add it to the playlist, or you can add it to the playlist. I don't quite know how that works, but we will get it figured out. But don't forget to stop by all the other moms' channels and see what they're planning on doing with their kids. See you guys in the next one.